This is gonna be a cute little reflection shot. What's up, everybody? We're in the middle of Florida. There was this one road that my girlfriend Shirley here saw on Facebook or Instagram or something, but it was one of those advertisement like, look at this whimsical thing that's in the state of Florida. Well, we actually found it. It happened to be on our way. Let's stop there and get some roller shots and some beauty shots of the car. If you don't know by now, she did drive this thing all the way from New York, this Nissan Figaro. And we decided it'd be a cute spot to stop and get her honest opinion on the car, especially after she put a lot of miles on it in the last, I don't know, 4 days alone. Make, model, year.
She's a 1991 Nissan Figaro.
Why did you get it?
Because I thought it was fucking cute. And I wanted Pao to have her collection. There's 4 cars in the Pike collection, and I have 2 of them so far. I've always wanted a little cruiser.
But I thought the Pao was your cruiser.
It was until the transmission broke out on me, until it died on me. And then I wanted to get something more reliable, so this is a turbo. Ended up being a lot more reliable.
It's not just a turbo though, it's a turbo EFI. It's no longer carbureted like the Pao is, or like I think the S Cargo is as well, and so is the B1. This actually has a more modern type of engine. She was cruising at like 90-95 miles an hour the whole way down, pretty much from Brooklyn to Tampa.
What he said.
Yeah. How was that experience though? Because you did have one complaint about rattles.
Yeah. Once it gets to a certain speed, the whole dash, steering wheel included, just completely rattles, and it's mind-numbing to the point where I almost lost my and may have completely lost my Other than that, it goes pretty fast. It's faster than Pao. It keeps up longer, and it didn't blow up. What
I'm gonna guess is that maybe it's honestly just a tire balancing that it needs. But yeah, at a certain RPM, like around 4,500 RPM, the whole dash just rattles. Granted, it is like a 33-year-old car at this point, about to be 34, just like Charles. You know, it just is what it is, old car things, but truly I believe that it might honestly be fixed by a good tire balance. Anyways, on to the good. Favorite features of this car?
That it keeps up with traffic, that it speeds.
Second favorite feature?
The convertible top.
But that's not a full-on convertible, that's like a rag top.
Love that we can have wind in it. I don't know what else. I don't advise driving it for 2 days straight on 11-hour stretches. Yeah, it's more of a cruiser. I've learned that. Probably should trailer it next time.
What's been done to this car?
Lowering springs by Tommy.
This is what a good boyfriend looks like.
What a great boyfriend looks like.
One special thing about this Fig compared to many other Figaros, this one actually has some different wheels on it. They look very close to stock, but they're actually, I think, like an inch or 2 larger. These are 15s. They have this like large chrome polished center cap. It's very reminiscent of a retro car, like a 50s or 60s car. And then they also have these white walls, which we have to clean up, but we will eventually.
I power washed it and it got clean a little bit.
Yeah? Yeah,
it's actually really hard to get all that off. The magic erase trick doesn't work. I'm not gonna name who said that.
Another cool feature about this Fig is that you see here, it's a red pond. Thanks to ChatGPT, we found out that is a special edition, making it more rare, making it more valuable in the event that it does sell.
They do suggest looking up the VIN to verify that, but we don't have contacts to help us look up a Japanese VIN number, so where you at?
If you know how to look up Japanese VIN numbers, please let us know. Can't really run a Carfax on it necessarily. This thing has some very cute features. Obviously you see it's a rag top, right? So the top pops back, gets stored in here. So now you ask, okay, well where could a spare live or a jack, anything like that? Because obviously these cars are older. They have those. Pop this little area.
Down here.
And look at that.
Look at my nest.
So it's a little bit of a hot mess right now because we have oil, coolant, all the necessities for a road trip, some detailing stuff. But besides that and the car cover, there is a jack there, and then there's a spare that's covered up by all the junk on top. But anyways, that's where all your extras live. There's also where you would service your, things like your license plate lights, your reverse lights. What's cute too, I noticed this earlier, it has its own little hood prop. I think that's incredibly cute because it's such a little trunk. Also, now that I'm looking at it, I wonder if these are the same circular lamps as not the B1, the Pao. At the very least, like the actual plastics, not the trim.
I think Paos are a little bit more like
they poke out
3D,
more?
yeah, they poke out more.
No, I know, but these are recessed in there, so they still are 3D. It's just that they're more recessed in the panels.
Paos are smaller.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I guess
and they're more of like cone-like.
Yeah. Well, there you have it. I love the dash. Car has working AC, heat, everything. Look at that. Nice little 1 liter, 3-cylinder turbo engine. EFI. It's a MA10E-T engine. So 3-cylinder, 1 liter turbo. The tiniest little baby turbo, you almost miss it if you're not looking for it, but it's basically right there, right past the heat shield. You're basically over it. See? This is the heat shield, that's the turbo. So this would be your downpipe. It's got literally everything you could possibly need as a little cruiser slash daily. All the unique little features, like the teardrop indicators on the sides, those are so, it's like a Chevy Bel Air type thing. Or on the inside, the window switches look like little seashells.
Yes.
Where can the internet find you? Even though I want to keep you private, but since you insist that you want everyone to know about you and then complain about people in your DMs that you don't like.
No, that comes into my DMs.
Why are you going on that side? The steering wheel's on this side.
I don't know.
Roll hand
I'm
drive.
just looking if there's anything else we have to say.
No, I mean,
Should I pull up the
roof?
Yeah.
No, people will get the gist. It's a retractable top. Like, what must we explain?
Most people think it's electronic.
It's not electronic, it's all manual. I mean, I'm just not gonna waste anyone's time. Like, there's 2 latches, you kick it back, you sew it away in the trunk, and then you close the trunk and then you drive on. She's insistent, so boom, open it up.
And look, there's a little harness strap.
Yeah, harness strap to keep it all down. That is real glass, I believe, even. And it's got a defrost, rear defrost, all working. Cool car.
That's it.
Okay, where can the boys stalk you?
At their mom's house.
Wow.
Shirley.nyc. Or I'm that pal. Everyone knows me as Lady Pal.
True. Maybe you should change your handle.
Lady Pal?
Yeah.
Doesn't pal mean like pussy or something?
You tell me, Latina.
Well, it's bread, so I'd be Lady Bread. Which is nice.
Breaded.